Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and this is a lawn that I have thatched, and I raked it all up, and now I've come back another day, and I've aerated, seeded, fertilized this, and put some lime on there, enhanced limestone, and a quick acting lime. And I'm going to come back in a couple of weeks' time and take a look at my work and just see how this job comes out. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hello, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company, and I'm currently in North Seattle, the Roosevelt neighborhood. And I'm just looking at a lawn that I had aerated, seeded, fertilized, and put lime on. And it's been about 6 weeks, and the rains have started. This is now October 5th. And I was just back here checking out the results, and the grass is just coming in, and it's just beginning to look beautiful. Once again, this is Stuart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thank you. Bye-bye.